Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and sometimes there will be some bonus videos in between. So let's just get straight into it. I have also been uploading some YouTube shorts as well, so make sure you check them bad boys out as well. As you can tell by the title, today we have a Primark haul. I'm just going to show you what's inside because I feel like it's some of it's nice, some of it's like basic stuff, but it's still all added up regardless. Let's just get straight into it. So the first thing that I got, which isn't actually technically from Primark, but oh my god, I got your nose. I just want to mention it just in case it's still available. So Home Bargains, oh my god, my nose is really itchy. Home Bargains are selling the Style Pro Squeeze, like the beauty blender, like cleaning kits. I have like the brush one, which I never really use because I use ISO Clean now, so I don't really need it for like the drying bit. But I cannot squeeze because I have so many sponges. I like let them pile up and then I try and clean them all at once. I was doing it in the washing machine, but I feel like it's just a little bit wasteful, like cost-wise, money-wise, to put the washing machine on for that. Don't know, it just hurts my soul. I was thinking with this I can actually really squeeze and like clean them properly because it hurts my hand when I'm doing so many and all first world problems and all that. But this was reduced from £40 to £6.99. I know Danny recently, one of my patrons, has picked it up as well. She must have got it in store. I ordered mine online because I knew that I wouldn't be going to the store anytime soon, and that's even if they had it. Really excited. I've literally got a massive bag of sponges that I need to clean, so that'll be perfect for that. And then I got quite a few essentials from Primark. So the first thing that I got is these thermal layer heavyweight base layer leggings. So basically just thermal leggings, just what they look like. I got the size 10 to 12 in these. I literally got these, they were £11. I literally got these because my skin keeps reacting to the cold, whether it's my neck, it's my arms, it's my legs, but it's typically my legs that get impacted first. And I think it's because my leggings are quite thin. I don't really like wear jeans or anything like that. I always wear leggings, so I was thinking if I had like a thicker thermal one, hopefully it'll stop it from happening, or at least reduce it, because I could literally come out in like hives, like it's like an allergic reaction. It's weird as. It was never a thing before lockdown, and now it's a thing. So I also got some essentials of some trainer socks. I actually have a lot of trainers now that are like white or nudie colours. So I normally, my whole life, I've only really had black trainer socks because that was all I ever needed. So now I've started buying some white ones. I have got some like Nike ones as well, but I ain't got the kind of money to be constantly wearing Nike ones, so £2.50 for 7 pairs, thank you very much. I got 2 shirts, and I got these like in a slightly bigger size than what I normally would buy. So these are like size 12 to 14. These were £11. I got like a green, although it's not coming up green on there, it is like green in person. So yeah, I got that, and I thought I could wear this off the shoulder with like a little bodysuit underneath, or I can wear it fastened up with like a few buttons down. Yeah, I just thought nice for cozy at home chill vibes, but also when I get a bit more confident in my weight, I would really like to wear that as like a jacket, like open with a tight like bodysuit underneath and some jeans. So obviously I'm on a little health kick at the moment. I've been eating healthy and going to the gym, so yeah, I'll be coming in handy for that when I'm feeling a bit more confident, which is definitely starting to happen already, which is really exciting. Like I said before, this year is the year for me, and I'm going to be confident and happy. I've already told myself that's what's happening. So moving on, for the bodysuit, I got one of these ones. These are the controlling shape and bodysuits, which are basically meant to be like a dupe of the like Kim Kardashian Skims one. My cousin got this, and I don't even think she told me whether she liked it or not, but I thought I'm in Primark and I never ever go there, so I'll just pick one up. And this was £8, and because it was a tightening one, I've got quite big bubbies. I got this in a size medium, which is a 12 to 14, just because I know my titty tatters are quite big. So I got one of them. I also got obviously some black trainer socks because I can never have enough. And then I also got some knickers. I'm very basic. I just get the little 5-pack mini ones. Knickers are just something that don't interest me. I just can't, like comprehend spending a lot of money on knickers. Doesn't interest me. Really doesn't. Bras don't really interest me either. So yeah, just got some 5-pack of mini knickers, size small, 10 to 12. Basically, that's all there is. Not really much more to that. I also got, like I said, I got 2 blouses. This one's actually coming up a bit more true to colour, although it is like a soft blue. It's not like as dark as what it's coming up on camera. I think it's coming up actually. I'm looking at my viewfinder, it looks like it's coming up alright. So yeah, this is again, I got this in a size medium, a 12 to 14. It was £11, and I had the same idea for this, of the different ways that I could wear it off the shoulder, open, fastened. Yeah, happy days. Got that, and then the rest of it is, oh my god, makeup bits that I picked up. I picked up this because I saw everyone talking about it and I really wanted to try it. This is the PS My Perfect Colour Illuminating Foundation. This was £6 and I got mine in the shade Nugget 03, and it's meant to be like an luminous finish foundation, which is definitely more my cup of tea nowadays. So yeah, I've bought that to try. I've also got the tinted moisturiser. It's like a radiant finish one, and I got this to see if it compares to my NARS one, to see if maybe if it's a dupe, and that was a £5. I got this because does this just not like a dupe? Definitely does. This is the PS Pro Cream Contour. It's buildable coverage one. This is £4.50, and I got the shade light brown. There's 2 shades. I spoke to Alex about this when I was in the shop, and I said to her, like, which shade should I get? And she said definitely the light one because it's really pigmented. So if you are a paler, lighter gal like me and Alex, I definitely recommend the light one from what she said. And then I got these. So this one, which was like literally the only one that somebody hadn't stabbed the finger in, I opened about 6 of them and every single one had been swatched and had like black fluff in it. This is the cream blusher in Rose for £3.50. That's what it looks like. And then this is the cream blusher in Peach, which was £3.50. And then that is just what the peachy one looks like. So I have like enough stuff now, and I also have like another drawer of like Charlotte Tilbury Primark dupes that I bought like months ago. So I'll put them all together in a drawer and I'll do like a testing Primark video. What do you think? Do you want me to? Yes? No? Let me know. But yeah, that was literally all I got, and even though I only got that, but I still spent like an absolute fortune. I think I still spent like £70 or something. Like, how did I come up to that much? But hey ho, a lot of it, like I said, is just like essential stuff. I went around the full shop, like the queue was mad, like the full system was down. The queue was bigger than what you would expect at Christmas time, like it was huge, and I thought I'll just go around the full shop, and then hopefully by the time that I'm done and I have to go to the till, the system will be back up and working. It wasn't. I didn't even bother making it like to the PJs into like the home section because I just thought I'm just going to get in this queue now because I'm getting hungry. I think I hadn't even ate by that point, so I was like, I'm just going to get in the queue now and head home. So yeah, that was everything that I picked up. Nice, short and sweet one. Have you got anything from Primark recently? Anything that you recommend for me to pick up? I know I was talking to my sister Millie today and she was sending me some stuff that she got from Primark, and she got like this funky brush, which I never saw. So it has like a little handle like this, and then the brush is like flat, and then it has like the like silicone plasticky like bits in it, and it's meant to be like a scalp one. So I would have picked that up if I'd seen that, because apparently that's really good for hair growth, but I didn't see that, and I think it only cost to like £2.50. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think. Apparently we're getting another Primark opening up sometime this year near us, which would be so much easier to get to, and it'll be open later than the one that we have currently, where it closes like by the time I finished work. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up, and let me know if I want to do a video testing all the other stuff. And yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. Bye.